Introducing the Timebox-Evo by Divoom. Did you know the Timebox was the original pixel art speaker? And the Timebox-Evo is the ultimate upgrade in this lineup. The EVO means evolution, as it created a new breed for the Bluetooth speakers. So, let's dive right in and take a look of the Timebox-Evo. To get started, you need to download and install the Divoom Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. With a minimalistic design, Timebox-Evo's concept is quite simple: LED panel in the front and audio speaker in the back. Featuring a 16 by 16 perfect square LED panel, Timebox-Evo has a clean and sleek design. Its control panel is located on the top. From the left to right, these buttons are play, lower volume, alarm, increase volume, and lighting, and they all have a set of functions by pressing and holding. The power button is located on the side panel. The USB-C charging port is on the back. Also on its back, here is the Timebox-Evo's 6-watt speaker, which is professionally tuned by the Divoom audio engineers. You can play the DJ mixer with the Timebox-Evo. You can also create pixel art. When you have an incoming SMS message, Timebox-Evo will flash its icon to notify you. The Timebox-Evo comes with for classic mini pixel art games. You can set a sleep timer with the ambient white noise. Here is the daily planner on the Timebox-Evo. And here is the voice message recorder. Timebox-Evo offers 6 hours playtime with both light and sound. Most importantly, Timebox-Evo connects you to the Divoom's massive gallery and online community, which was formed by many pixel art enthusiasts and artists from all over the world. There are even more functions for you to discover on the Timebox-Evo, so be sure to check them out. That's all for today. See you on our next video.